Hey neighbor, here at Hoss, we're excited about a new product line we've got for you. We've listened to you, you've told us what you wanted, feedback, and we took care of that. Today I'm showing you a product line I think you'll be real excited about. See this right here, this is our most popular seed. It's our 10 pack of the Hossinator tomato. But you told us you don't want 10 seeds. Got a smaller garden and you don't need 10 seeds. You've also told us you don't like paying $3 for a seed pack. You don't like paying $2 for a seed pack. You don't even like paying $1.99 for a seed pack. So we listened and we've responded back. Folks, we have come out with the mini pack series. You see this right here? This is a new product line from Hoss right here. That right there, budget minded for you budget minded gardeners out there. You don't need a lot of seeds. You got a small garden. We got you covered here with the Hossinator series. You see that right there? One seed. One seed from Hossinator for you small gardeners out there, for you budget-minded gardeners out there, 29 cents with free shipping. Look at there. Now, here's the deal. One seed. You only need one seed. We got you covered here. I'm going to get it out of this seed pack right here, just like this right here. Boom, there it is. The Hossinator tomato, one seed. What else do we got? Hold on a minute. So say you, what varieties do we have in our Hossinator series? Well, I just told you about the ever popular Hossinator tomato. And then folks, we have the, see it's a small old Hoss, can't even read it. We got the, is that the yellow bell pepper? I believe it is. One seed in there for you guys that just need one pepper. And then we got the Hossinator green pepper. One seed for you guys that just want one pepper plant. And then we got the Hossinator jalapeno. Look there. You really need glasses to even see these. This is nobody. I mean, nobody on the market has this right here. This is very unique and life-changing. Right there we have, is that the banana? Yeah, the banana pepper. Oh, look here. Cucumber. For you guys, you just need one cucumber seed. Look at there. Yep. Oh, what about you guys that love to grow beans, but you only want one plant and you want a cheap seed pack? 29 cent, one seed Hoss Green Blaze. Oh, and what about a cucumber? We got the Hossinator slicer cucumber, one cucumber seed. And then bringing it up last, we have the yellow bell pepper. Another seed pack with one seed in it. Look here, folks, the Hossinator lineup for you right here. Groundbreaking. No other seed company out there is going to give you a 29 cent seed pack, small enough for you small gardeners out there. Check it out. You can thank me later. Hey.